Morning, folks. Hope everybody's having a good day, or have had a good day by the time you watch this. I've got an awful busy day today. It's a beautiful day. It started out at 4 degrees again this morning, but the sun is out and it's currently up to 18 degrees. So I got a text early this morning. Started out with, "Oh my God, what is happening?" So that got my attention. This is from somebody I used to work with about a couple of years ago, and we've had a few conversations. And I was thinking ahead, looking how things were unfolding, how things didn't add up, weren't making sense. What the media was saying was not what I thought was accurate. And they said it'll never get that bad. It's America. Well, it'll never get that bad. Our country won't let it get that bad. Well, they've woken up, folks. Now they're in a panic. Not only a panic to scramble to get what they feel that they need for their pantry shelves, but they're quite pissed off. They're pissed off that they believe they gobbled everything the media said. They gobbled everything, all the promises, and that somebody has been saying, you know, the top dog in this country, right? Given all the promises, it's only transitional. They're pissed off. They believed every bit of it. They admitted that they were naive. They admitted that they look for only the positive in everything, and just stuck with that positive and just eating media for dessert, you know. So they're pissed off. Now, when I responded, I asked if they had been watching my channel on YouTube. But they didn't know I had a channel. So I encouraged them to watch some of my videos, pointed out a few of them, not many, but just a few to get started, and pointed them to a couple other channels that I feel that they would get good information from. I haven't heard back from them yet, but I know they were pissed off enough to go watch those videos that I recommended. So people are starting to wake up, folks. They're starting to wake up. Those that were laughing 2 years ago are waking up, and they're not very happy. They're not happy at all, and they feel like they've lost all this time when they could have been preparing, because as she said, she had her head stuck in her behind. Not the exact word she used. So she's upset. She's talking with her husband, and she said her and her husband will sit down and watch the videos, and we'll see where that goes. But folks, you know, you talk to people, and it just, you give up after a while. You just give up after a while. I got the geese right here. But when somebody wakes up and they put two and two together, and they wake up. Now, I know this couple very well, and they're going to do everything they can. They're gonna step it up quite a lot. But I also know that they're going to talk to their adult children, and they're going to talk to their friends. She also mentioned that she was disappointed in her church because the church is not talking about this. So somebody just got a huge wake-up call. So I asked her what brought her around. What brought her around to thinking that things weren't all lollipops and rainbows anymore. She said when she went to the store, didn't buy any meat, went to the store, and that bag of food was over $50. No meat, folks. She said the prices have gone up from last week. She goes right straight across the board. Prices have gone up. She knew gas was going to go up. She said she did know that. But for some reason she didn't know food was going up. So, you know, that gave me a little confidence to maybe talk about this to maybe a couple other people again. Maybe they're starting to come around. Maybe they're starting to see what's going on, and maybe they're waking up too. So I just wanted to share that. My cousin Shay has invited me up to her place to watch the movie Armageddon, which was suggested. In one of the comments, thank you very much. We're going to do that today. We're both going to take time out of our day to watch that movie. So, what do we do, folks? I know I'm pretty exhausted talking to people about it in my personal life. I'm pretty exhausted. But there's always a little bit of a glimmer of hope when somebody reaches out to you at 3:45 in the morning. So maybe not all that talk was lost, you know? Maybe it takes things like the price of food and that for people to kind of start waking up a little bit. So the last time I heard from her was about 7:15 this morning, and it was a simple sentence. It was a short sentence, but it was, I don't believe anything I hear anymore on my TV. Right, folks? So anyway, I'm going to get at it. There's a couple hours watching that movie. I guess it's a couple hours long. So I've got to double up and get my things done so I can make time for that 2 hours to sit and watch that movie. So I'm hoping there'll be a live chat tonight. I'm hoping. And thank you for coming. Thank you for sticking with me. And thank you for the lovely comments. I appreciate them greatly. Have a good day. Have a good day. And we will see you next time.